Nvidia, even after tumbling nearly 20% year-to-date amid export restriction fears and competitive pressures, Nvidia's data center division still hauled in $35.60 billion last quarter, already eclipsing what the entire company earned just 3 years ago. Stay with me and learn why looming semiconductor tariffs could flip the bull case before analysts even notice. Discover the under-the-radar AI trend insiders and hear my 5-year price target and why I'm actually being conservative. Over the past month on the 30-days chart, Nvidia's shares have carved out a textbook ascending channel. The lower trend line has lifted from roughly $70 in early April up to about $110 today, while the upper trend line has climbed from near $80 to roughly $130. Nvidia closed its fourth quarter of fiscal 2025 with $39.30 billion in revenue, up 12% sequentially and 78% year over year, and its data center arm delivered $35.60, rising 16% quarter over quarter and 93% year over year. CEO Jensen Huang warns that next-generation reasoning AI models may need 100x more compute than earlier networks, unleashing a tidal wave of demand. At the same time, Nvidia's dependence on TSMC for chip fabrication puts looming U.S. tariffs squarely in its sights, a risk that could squeeze margins or slow volumes. Meanwhile, big tech giants Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft still plan to pour over $320 billion into AI and data center capex this year, underscoring the massive runway ahead. Drawing on the independent DCF models, define a $71.14, $108.42 fair value gap corridor. Yet today's $114.50 share price sits above even the top estimate, signaling overvaluation until it dips back toward the floor of that range. On the daily chart, Nvidia's shares trade within a clear descending channel. Support near $96 lines up with the DCF floor, and resistance around $120 meets the DCF ceiling. When NVDA retreats toward $96, that's your green light entry, right on channel support and still below intrinsic value. Conversely, as the stock rallies into $120, where overhead resistance and fundamental tops converge, that's the optimal zone to lock in gains before the next leg down. For exclusive AI-powered stock screens, weekly DCF updates, and real-time buy-sell alerts, check out www.maam.com, your edge in uncovering tomorrow's market winners. Hit subscribe and leave your questions below.